And yes, here it is. You can get the Insta360 ONE RS in the 1-inch edition. But then you can also get the 360 module, and you can also get the 4K boost lens. And this camera is really cool and versatile. It might take some getting used to with the menu system and just how you can utilize the modular design. But for me, I just wanted to see why a 1-inch sensor would be so beneficial. You might be looking at some of this saying, that's impressive, yes, but just a regular lens would also look that good. And you would be right to think that. However, with the 1-inch sensor, I do find a little bit more sharpness and more detail in the picture during the daytime. But where it really comes alive is at nighttime. In low light, this thing looks really good. And the first time I took the footage and put it in my computer and brought it up on my 4K OLED screen, I was blown away. It looks so good, and especially in low light. Now, it's not just nighttime where this thing can shine, it's also great indoors or just any kind of low light situation. And at this point, you're probably going, yeah, that is very impressive low light footage, but how does it stack up compared to like the Hero 10? So this is the Hero 10 and the ONE RS side by side. And I'll just wander around this backyard and let it play out so that you can see the differences for yourself. And the reality is, they both look great. But again, the strength of the 1-inch sensor is in low light. And this is where you're going to see the biggest differences between them. So right now, this is the Hero 10, and now let's switch to the ONE RS. Yeah, that's a big difference, and you can see that the 1-inch sensor brings in so much more light, and it's also less grainy. And this shows you that there is an advantage to having a 1-inch sensor on an action camera.